Dilai KSA Head Branch Pen Cepatir Pipon si kedam tang phai kuni ni phai Krisiar ni pen Dilai Pathu aklamalong Inter School Football League ke Pathu pang chengsi kedam tang mati jong ni phai hiniar ni angdung kiti Pathu pon Bangso angdung kiti ke Pathu pon along pinso terana tumpen teran kep la pen arluso terana hin pen teran troksi atum Cepate dun Cepate bom bang bom si kedam tang mati jong ni phai hiniar ni angdung kiti ke Pathu pon along Dilai High School apen cleared up English High School ang bongsi Pathu chepo pon lo Dilai High School ateran kit hek sera job 2-0 goal pen cleared up English High School aphan parem ponlo halapu soarlo ateran atum lakhe St Thomas School apen Dilai Government ME School ang bongsi Pathu ponlo bonda ke Pathu jodde da phi hin ateran atum sitami goal che thapon un edet job tie breaker chiptur si Dilai Government ME School atum 3-1 goal pen che pahai ponlo Bangso hut ke hai nong e discipline team best defender Best goalkeeper, best scorer lapen freak jump individual anong isitami aluhiari dengpen pajirpon. Kedam tang mati jong ni phai hinia ni angdung kiti ke Pathu along aluhi sarpo man pen kasa kongchun bang pangkaj keron phapangjang aluhi pen kasa football secretary foreign inti KSAMI pu thang sing timong pache thang chun bang David phangcho ni hang donsuri hawar amai pu tu heswate rang atum chitong dun. Dilai KSA head branch kongchun bang Brojen Hanse pen nang kapachini ponke labang so kapathu kibi kimang ponke school hejanang bong kachi pachini seroi ke pathu anat kangthur ponji aphan lapen pinan ke do pisok end up alamta awareness kachiti ponji aphan kiwang jilang aningka setami inter school kachi pachi dengbomji puta nang pachini dun
ke pathu kachar lidet kali ke pathu same ka aken kam chiyor nei po athi pn pencil kum same dak dilayan khitipi pen chenglok school doane wean apa sami dak dilai doane wean school sami la dak dilai pathu klam longan ke wang pen asu in school lig long nang edun pen chapati dun thek pot school doane wean ato manta mate nilum churu papik lo aso inter school long nang competition long part nang edun thek pot ang paris tami kachurang tung mang edu tholang nitum dilai hawar long social claim bank phuduan atum bhan nitum churu wek nangji athe nitum so pathu pachu na long politician atum long samin tuma kirat hang nam ne pin ben alang tum nang update join ni tum hang nam jok plot kwan ge lang tum nang update join ni sila so tournament man tum pachun pon long lo
Dilai pen bijoy rongpi karbing long lai